Good morning, guys. There is one thing I forgot is to heat up my espresso cup, and the way you can do it is just to put a little bit of hot water in there, not for long, and yeah, let's start with the coffee. I returned my grinder and the company refuses to give me the money back, so we're in the process of basically arguing. So that's why I have this pre-ground coffee. If you want to know my issues with the Varia VS3 grinder, you can check the video in the top right hand corner of the screen. And let's try this one with 17-18 grams. This is an 18-gram basket, so let's see how much we can fit in. Yeah, that seems fine. Let's break the clumps a little bit. Because this is pre-ground, it's already stuck together. It's not even fresh, but I'm really missing making the coffee at home, so that's why I do it. No matter the cost. I just love preparing coffee. Maybe I'll do another Latte video as well. Put it back. Put this back. Dump it. Get rid of the coffee on the side so it doesn't get burned, and purge this a little bit. Yeah, the espresso cup is hot. Clean it with a paper towel. I have one cold because my wife wants milky coffee in this, so it doesn't matter really. At least I think. I have my phone ready and let's go. 18 grams in, and let's try to do 36 out, the regular 1:2 ratio. I haven't done it yet, so we shall see. It's still too fast. Yeah, 10 seconds and it's 39 grams. I can't even stop it at the right time, 40 grams. So basically like closer to my extraction of 42 grams than to 36. And it took 11 seconds. Anyways. Let's try this one. I'm still struggling with the angle, trying to find the right one for 2-hole steam one, so I don't have the proper vortex. Yeah, this coffee machine has a cold touch steam ones or the hot water one, so it's really good and unusual to touch it. So this is my cup, this is my wife's. I don't know if I can make latte art here, probably not at all, because it's too tall. This is more like a iced latte type. No, this is just coffee with milk. Oh yeah, and she wanted a syrup. 2 pumps or 1 pump? 1 is fine. And yeah, she has this lid. We just bought this glass yesterday, and we have these funny straws. Let me know, what does it remind you of? Okay, and let's try this one. It's drinkable. We went to a coffee place yesterday and they had delicious coffee, but this one is just okay. It's not the quality of what this machine would produce. So this really shows how important the grinder is. If you have a fresh coffee beans and a good grinder, you can make so much better coffee. You can have the best coffee in the world, but if you don't have it grind properly, the coffee machine won't make it properly. So anyways, I will have some caffeine now, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon, and hopefully with a new grinder. Fingers crossed that they give me my money back. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.